So, hello everyone. This is Srinivas. First of all, congratulations. Why? Because of we are going to be starting a new series, a new playlist for Python Zero to Hero, right? So here, what I am trying to giving all Python programming related videos. See, we know Python is vast programming. Python is a very simple programming language in today's market in IT. And without Python, there is no resume. Without Python, there is no framework. Without Python, there is no IT course and any kind of development also. Python is very simple and Python is open source. Python is not a Cobra. Python is a programming language. Just try to understand. See, we know there are a lot of other programming languages like C, C++, Java is there, COBOL is there, and PHP is there, C Sharp is there. There are multiple kind of programming languages we have in the market, but Python is going to be taking one and two, like number one trending programming language nowadays in the world, and most people are actually learning Python. Even school people also learning Python nowadays. That much simple. Python for kids also available in different kind of countries, and even in India also people are learning Python. Even small children also learning Python. Why? Because of Python is comfortable programming language in IT to do any kind of project. Python is very simple and very comfortable. And let me write simple definition. Python is general purpose. Python is general purpose programming. Python is general purpose programming, and one more is Python is simple. And one more line I'm writing, Python is object oriented. Object oriented programming. And Python is open source. Python is open source, and Python have large community. Large community. And very comfortable. We can install Python. Python is OS independent. It means, what is the meaning of OS independent? See, for any operating system, you can install Python without having any conflicts, without having any issues. Even in Mac operating system, you can install. Even in Linux, Ubuntu also, you can able to install. Any operating system you take, you can easily install Python programming inside it. No conflict. That is the why reason Python is like OS independent. I told you Python is OS independent, right? So that is a thing I already done. Okay, so Python is OS independent, and one more line I can say is language independent. Language independent. It means what? For example, where you can use Python, you can comfortably bind with Python using with the C programming or C++ programming or JavaScript programming, Java programming. Anywhere you go, any kind of software you go, Python is easily mingle, easily migrate. So you can go with some library support, you can go with some framework support to do some kind of application. That is something like a language independent. Python is language independent also. And where from I can learn Python? Python is going to be available in python.org. See, there is a website called https www.python.org. This is the official website where you can see Python, where you can able to download Python, and you can try to install Python in your operating system, and you can able to work with a lot of editors. So editors also very comfortable editors. See, when we install Python in our system, we will be having two kind of things. One is first of all, we will get one thing called IDLE. So what IDLE means? Integrated development lightweight environment. IDLE means integrated development lightweight environment. So this environment is getting ready for us, and from this I can able to do my Python programming in two different ways. One is a command mode. I can able to write my Python code in command mode, and I can able to write my Python code in batch mode. So there are two kind of variations you can write Python code. So we will do different kind of editors. We will go with Notepad. Yeah. So even you can write Python programming in the Notepad and Notepad++, or you can go with Sublime Text, or you can go with Atom. You can go with brackets. See, there is no problem with any kind of editor. You can write Python code anywhere, and Visual Studio Code is there. And one more thing is something like PyCharm is there. And one more thing is something like Jupyter Notebook. See, when we install Anaconda Navigator, one simple IDE, we can able to see that web IDE called Jupyter Notebook. So that Jupyter Notebook is available using with Anaconda Navigator. When you install Anaconda Navigator, Jupyter Notebook is available. And one more thing is Spider IDE. So Spider also Spider. So Spider also available with Anaconda Navigator. See, we try to install each and every editor, and I will show Python code, how to execute Python code with different kind of editors. I will show different kind of editors. Even from when we install Python, we will be having IDLE, right? So I will show IDLE, and I will show Sublime Text, Atom, Brackets, VS Code, PyCharm, Jupyter, everything. But I don't have Notepad. Why? Because I'm using Mac machine. I don't have Notepad here. So I will show whatever the possible editors with my MacBook. And one more thing is there is one cloud editor also available. Cloud editor. That cloud editor is something like Google Colab. So I will show with the Google Colab also. So where you can able to write your Python code line by line and easily how to execute Python programming and how to execute Python codes and all. So I will show each and everything. So each and every video, please follow, and regular practice is required. So every day, most probably every day, I will try to upload a video or one video, two videos on related to Python. So this particular playlist is going to be a complete Python programming. See, I don't know the number of videos, how many videos I'm trying to uploading for Python, 300 plus or 400 plus or 500 plus. I don't know. I don't know the number. This is continuously increasing this playlist. This playlist is uh, continuously going on. There is no stop for this particular playlist. I don't know how many number of videos I'm trying to uploading here. So starting from beginning, first of all, we will learn Python programming fundamentals. So first we learn fundamentals. This is the first formula what we have to do. This is the learning path of the Python program. First we will learn fundamentals. Then we will go with the advanced level Python programming. Then third process, we will try to understand multiple kind of libraries. This is a very big module where you can learn a lot of libraries what we have. Then we will try to understand different kind of frameworks what we have. Then we try to work with a different kind of projects. Okay, so these things are very important. Third, fourth, fifth cannot able to stop. I cannot able to stop here. So the number of libraries I will able to explain with you. Suppose, for example, we try to work with the libraries and frameworks for data science, data analytics, and kind of Django, Flask for web development, and desktop application development, and mobile application development. And there are multiple kind of application development you can do with Python. So you can go with PySpark for Databricks. See, I'm trying to giving a lot of libraries and frameworks which are related to the Python. But first of all, you need to be focused. You need to be very focused on two things. The one is a very important thing, fundamentals, and the another thing is advanced level Python. These two parts are very important. You try to follow the videos for the fundamentals and advanced level, and at least you try to learn 2 to 3 libraries related to the Python, and at least you try to learn any one of the framework in the Python, and at least you have to do minimum 10 different kind of projects 10 different kind of projects using with Python. Then your profile is going to be building. So then you prepare your profile. So I will guide you how to prepare a profile here. How to prepare a profile also I will guide you. And from my subscribers, for each and every Sunday, I will take a mock-up interview also. On Python, I will take a mock-up interview also. That mock-up interview video also I will upload into the YouTube. So how I am taking the mock-up interview, how I am questioning for them, and how they are going to be giving the answers, and what is the pass percentage of the particular interview, and all. We are going to be learning from our channel. There are a lot of things. We are learning the UI part. That is different. We go like a master level in the UI part. At the same time, we are go a master level in Python also. That is better for your job purpose. That is your better for your job profile and getting a good packages, interesting packages for your career change. So I hope you understand the things, how the things are going to be happening here. So this is most probably this is first video in this particular channel, Python uh, 0 to Hero. So I'm going to be giving the name for this channel, Python 0 to Hero. I'm giving the infinity number. Infinity means how many number of videos I'm trying to uploading, I don't know. So I'm starting with the one. This is the one, and there is no ending number for this. So till end of the YouTube, I will try to upload regular videos. Most probably regularly, I will try to upload a new video for you, and I will try to give you the new thing for you. Every day you have to learn something in Python. Every day a new concept. Every day a new library. Every day a new project. Some different things. Every day you have to try to understand one new concept in Python. That is a better way. And every day the most of interview questions what they cover with that particular topic, I will try to give in the end of the section. End of the section, in the 5 minutes, I'm trying to giving the interview questions on that particular topic. So based on the topic, I try to write some interview questions, so you can fill up all the interview questions somewhere. And I will prepare a video also, Python interview question, or I will prepare a number of shorts on interview questions also for that. And please subscribe the channel, like the video, and give the comments. And whatever the questions and queries you have, I am giving the WhatsApp number, and I'm giving the email ID in my description. You can contact with me. And if anybody want to go with the personal classes, you can contact with me. That is also there. Okay, so I'm not available in offline, guys. So I will be available anytime for online. Only from YouTube I will be available. That is the one thing I want to share with you. And one more thing, any support you want, I will just, I'm always ready. So like a interview purpose, like a job purpose, like a training purpose, like a career purpose, whatever it may be. Career guidance also I'm trying to provide. So there are some different kind of videos. Like each and every month, 2 or 3 sessions I will take like a career guidance for the people. People are coming from the different kind of backgrounds. Sir, I'm fit for IT. Am I fit for IT? There are a number of questions. I'm coming from MBA. I'm coming from BSc. I'm coming from that blah blah blah. No issues, sir. No issues. Learn programming very well. Everybody can set for the IT. I know one guy. He was not actually done even SSC also, but now he's a Python programmer, and he is doing very good market. And he is taking 24 lakh per annum, 24 LPA. Now he is actually earning 24 LPA, but he is not done even SSC also. That is true. Okay, so only the subject demands this kind of what is this called, qualification. Qualification is not a matter. The only subject is matter. Finally, okay, so I don't eat your brains now. So from the next video onwards, we are just trying to entering into the subject. We are trying to entering into the installation of different kind of editors, and I'm trying to entering into the different kind of syntaxes. Okay, Python is just like English. If you know English properly, you understand English properly, you write, you know how to write English properly, then automatically you can able to learn Python. That's my promise. Yeah, that's a promise of Python. Python is actually promising like that. If you know English properly, you can able to understand the syntax properly, and you can able to write Python code properly. That's all. So I hope you guys understand this thing, and you can share how you support me. Like, share this kind of video, share the channel for your friends or colleagues, or your groups, WhatsApp groups, or some groups are there. So just support them also. That is you are helping, the way of you are help. So part of my side, I'm trying to giving all the sessions, all the content as a free of cost. I'm not charging anything, right? So at the same time, you also share the videos and support me like more subscribes and more. I'm not actually earning money from YouTube. I don't want to earn money from YouTube. I'm doing the job and I'm getting the money. There is not a problem. So I don't want any money from the YouTube, but I'm just doing a little bit service. Whatever the struggles I got in my earlier days, I don't want to do. I don't want like you people don't get that kind of struggles in future. That is our only agenda. So thank you guys, and please subscribe the channel, like the video, give the comments. Bye bye. See you. See you soon.